The girl that I'm not supposed to talk about took over Durban this weekend, and did I tell you, she did not give us any content. She was just stingy with content. Maybe she doesn't understand social media. And by the way, Rosina, if you say I must not talk about Tandega, who should I talk about? Me? You? No ways. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Tandega went to Durban this weekend, and the first thing that I want to talk about is reuniting with the old body. They say it's Kanyile, whom he's a guy, and people were not happy because she doesn't post Melly, but she can post the guy and smile at the guy. Guys, if you look at it from a point of yourself being lustful as a person, you will feel it is wrong. But if you know where we have platonic relationships in this life, you will know it's actually okay to post your friend than your boyfriend. Mm-hmm. In South Africa, Mujolo wa kika. It doesn't matter how you are a celebrity, you are a president. Mujolo will kick you left, right, and center. So posting your friends, your friends, we really break up with such because this is not a friend that she met in the industry that she is now. This is an old friend. So posting him, it doesn't matter. So Tamelis or advocates, I need you to relax on this one because not with my girl. That's her friend. So do it. And she met with Ashe. I think it was Ashe's birthday or someone's birthday. They had a lunch. It was good. One thing that I hate about it, it was that people were using the Ashe's girlfriend to drag Liam. Why do you do that, guys? Hmm? Why do you do that? And you know, Italians, you love to drag people, but when it comes to you, Hashem, you cannot swallow a bitter pill. Yalpalla, Hashem, Yalpalla. So, yeah, but otherwise, it's a new week. Please do subscribe, like, and comment. I will start uploading from tomorrow, real uploads, sit downs, face, and everything.